Hello students, welcome to 6th Standard English. Today we are going to learn about the topic second term unit 1 vocabulary. Match the sports and the equipments: cricket, bat; football, helmet; tennis, rackets; golf, club; volleyball, net; archery, bow and arrow. Cricket, bat; football, helmet; tennis, racket; golf, club; volleyball, net; archery, bow and arrow. Check the meanings of the italics word. Being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Privilege means honor. Privilege, honor. The boy was taken by surprise when he learned about Mithali Thurairaj. Surprise. Surprise, amazed. Surprise, amazed. Usha Rani had to struggle all through her life. Struggle, work hard. Struggle, work hard. Usha Rani is expert at giving leads. Expert, skilled. Expert, skilled. No opponent is too big to defeat. Opponent, competitor. Opponent, competitor. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the words given in brackets. We should learn from our dash. Success, failure. Success, failure. Children don't like to read dash interesting book. Interesting and interesting. Interesting and interesting. P dash general. When you are telling us what you need. General, specific. General, specific. The teacher asked the children to dash talking. Start, stop. Start, stop. The new boss decided to dash the lazy workers. Appoint, dismiss. Appoint, dismiss. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with suitable words. There is a playground in my school. Playground. The starry sky looks beautiful at night. The track has fresh vegetables. Fresh kuda add pannikada. Fresh green vegetables potukala. It is a hot day. The girl gave her friend a pleasant smile. Put the words in correct order and rewrite and each sentence. Put the words in correct order and rewrite each sentence. They have a post box, red, small, rectangular. They have a small, rectangular, red post box. They have a small, rectangular, red post box. I have stick, long to brown. I have two long brown stick. I have two long brown stick. Find me the dresses. New 5 yellow. Find me 5 new yellow dresses. Find me 5 new yellow dresses. Magesh is a boy, thin, tall, clever. Magesh is a tall, thin, clever boy. Magesh is a tall, thin, clever boy. Magesh is a tall, thin, clever boy. It is a plate, round, pink, small. It is a small, round, pink plate. It is a small, round, pink plate. Refer to your dictionary for the meanings and circle the odd one. Tiny na chinnadu, small. Small, little, funny, same meaning. Enormous only, miga periya. Odd one, enormous. Ample, great, ample means ஏராளமாக, great, plentiful, ஜீனரஸ் இதெல்லாம் ஏராளமாக மிகப்பெரிய அப்படி வரும். ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்டட் தடை. ஆட் ஆன் ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்டட். கைண்ட் வகை. இதில் ஆட் ஆன் ஹர்ஸ் கடுமையாக. ஹானஸ்ட் நேர்மையாக. டிசைட்ஃபுல் ஏமாற்றுவது. ஆட் ஆன் டிசைட்ஃபுல். சீர்ஃபுல் சந்தோஷமாக. சீர்ஃபுல். ஆட் ஆன் அவுட் லோ குறைந்த. ஓகே. Composition, letter writing. Imagine that you are the school people leader. Write the formal letter inviting the chief guest for the school's annual day. Give detail of the time and place of the events. நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் வந்து ஸ்கூல் டே ஆனுவல் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதுக்கு ஸ்கூல் பீப்புள் லீடர் வந்து சீஃப் கெஸ்ட்டை இன்வைட் பண்ணி ஒரு லெட்டர். ஓகே. ஸ்கூல் நேம் சிஎஸ்ஐ பப்ளிக் ஸ்கூல். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்கூல் பீப்புள் லீடரோட நேம் ஏதாவது ஒரு நேம் போட்டுக்கோங்க. எஸ்பிஎல். ஸ்கூல் நேம் சிஎஸ்ஐ பப்ளிக் மெட்ரிக் ஹையர் செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல் அழகிய மண்டபம் முளகுமூடு போஸ்ட். டேட்டு February 15, 2021. நேம் ஆஃப் த சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் எஸ் பிரெனாட் டேனியல். நம்ம சர்ச் ஃபாஸ்டர் சிஎஸ்ஐ சர்ச் அழகிய மண்டபம். ரெஸ்பெக்டட் சார் போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகே. ரெஸ்பெக்டட் சார். I am writing these letters on behalf of school name CSI Public Metric Higher Secondary School. Our school is going to conduct its annual day on 20th February. In this connections, we cordially invite you to our 23rd will benefits from 23rd annual day to be the chief guest and address the gathering. We are sure the students will benefit from your ideas and words. We will be privileged to have you in our school on this special day. We look forward to receiving your acceptance. We look forward to receiving your acceptance. Yours sincerely, yours name. School people leader. Thank you, students.